Is your iPhone battery draining too fast? Wireless World has got you covered with expert iPhone battery replacement in Tulsa. Get fast, reliable service at unbeatable prices. At Wireless World, we specialize in same-day phone repairs, ensuring your device is back in your hands quickly. Our certified technicians handle everything from battery replacements to screen repairs, water damage recovery, and more. With over 10 years of experience, we take pride in delivering top-quality service, backed by our lifetime warranty on repairs. Plus, we offer the most affordable pricing in Tulsa. We proudly serve the Cedar Ridge Park area. Coordinates 36.02 44300941227, 95.86389030305325, and the greater Tulsa, Oklahoma area. Don't let a weak battery slow you down. Visit Wireless World today at 149 S Memorial, Dr. Tulsa, OK 74133, United States, for an iPhone battery replacement in Tulsa, and experience fast, friendly service you can trust. Call us at +1 918 970 4460 or explore our website, https://wirelessworldoklahoma.com to learn more about our services. Find a store near you and keep your device running like new. Wireless World, Oklahoma's trusted name in cell phone repair. Fast, affordable, and reliable phone repairs. Visit us today or book an appointment online.